back again the next day, and we're cleaning out the rest of our refrigerator. There are a few things that I went ahead and threw out, like the milk and a couple other meat and stuff that was in my refrigerator, so that way it doesn't stink. So anyway, we're gonna time lapse this next part of me cleaning up my fridge. The rest of the stuff is my daughter's stuff, and it's like candy and stuff I'm gonna put in her candy jar. So this side is stuff that I am throwing away. And then we have this side, which is mostly drinks and stuff that I know is good. These are hot cocoa bombs. But yeah, the stuff I know is still good, so I'm keeping that.